You have 30 seconds. I'll give the majority leader.
And let me say this, that if this trend is not stopped, this country is going to turn to the dark jungle days. Madam Speaker, we have seen in the recent past, State House attempting to even manage agencies within ministries. We have seen State House actually sacking CEOs of agencies, like the Earth Water CEO. We have seen now my good friends who are here with us last Parliament, Honorable Moses Kuria, Honorable Alice Wahome, being demoted just anyhow.
Order.
On account of this kind of nonsense.
Order. Order. Minority leader, you have made your point. Kindly restrict yourself to the memo. I'll give the majority leader. I will give the majority leader 2 minutes to comment on it, and then we'll make our way forward. Majority leader, 2 minutes.
Honorable Speaker, the issue being raised by the leader of minority would seemingly be a very legitimate matter if the purported circular, as the Honorable Junet says, he has also seen it from the streets. I have not seen it in the streets. I have just had the privilege of the Honorable Opiyo Wandayi sharing with me a bunch of papers that are not on a government letterhead. I therefore cannot ascertain whether this is indeed a circular from the government. Number two, Honorable Speaker, he says it is signed by the Honorable Felix Kosgei. Indeed, the circular seems, or rather this bunch of papers, have the name of Felix K. Kosgei without a signature. And therefore, Honorable Speaker, I am constrained as to whether, to begin with, these are papers that are admissible in the House. And Honorable Speaker, if we are to comment then on issues that are not properly before the House, because if Felix Kosgei wants to effect anything in Parliament, he would do so only through a properly documented process in line with the laws. And it is true, the head of public